If you've got lymphedema in your fingers, hands, arms, or in your head and neck, there are some really helpful exercises designed for the upper body. Whether you can walk easily or spend a lot of time sitting down, doing these exercises every day will really get that lymph moving. So here's Andy. He's a lot less fierce than he sounds.
Just start marching on the spot, please.
He'll start you off with a warm-up, which you can do standing up.
Okay.
Or in a chair.
On the chair it is the case of lifting the knees and forward. And you got arms as well, make sure that you involve them as well. Okay. Point. Dig in, if you can. Repeat 10 times, if you can. And sideways, not too wide. Excellent. Again, about 10 times. Carry on marching. You start feeling your heart rate going up a bit. Excellent. Okay. Keep marching, and we do it again 10 times. Carry on. 9 and 10. And sideways again. 10. Again. But we got arms. Make sure that you use your arms. Just start. And if you can, try to concentrate and keep marching. Coordination. Okay? Excellent. And breathe out. So we're going to start with some hand exercise to start with. As always, we're sitting forward. Okay, engage the core, lift your arms up, just with the hand, making sure that you can grab and release. Grab and release. Make sure that you straighten your fingers properly all the way. Okay, you should feel a little bit of strain in the front and the back of your arm, which will help with the blood flow. Repeat about 10 times. Okay, and the other one. Okay, bring it in and out. And relax. Okay, the next exercise is just moving your wrist back and forward. So the easiest way to do that, lean slightly forward, rest your arm on your knee, and make sure that you point downwards and bring yourself up. Downwards and bring your fingers towards you. Okay, this will get some movement in your wrist, and again, you should feel the same strain in your lower arms as earlier. Repeat about 10 times. And do the other one as well, please. Okay. Hope you're enjoying it and feeling fine. Point downwards now. I showed you 2 ways to doing this exercise. Feel free to choose which way you want to do it. Okay, the next exercise is a simple bicep curl, i.e. bending your elbow and straightening. Okay, make sure that you sit up nice and straight, engage the core, put a smile on your face if you can, or maybe not, yeah. Okay, let your arm nice and relaxed, like that. And make sure that you bring it up, touching your shoulder, and nice, relax. Repeat 10 times. Make sure that you keep your tummy nicely tucked in. Keep breathing. Carry on. Rosemary, if you can, sit forward, please. You're leaning back. I know it's a little bit difficult. That's about 10 times. Okay, and relax. Make sure that you do the other arm as well. Right, try to keep your elbow tucked in there. Okay, so keep it in the hip bone. Okay, nice and easy. Okay. Excellent. Okay. To progress from this exercise, you are able to do both arms together, nicely straightened out, and bring them close together. Okay. Make sure that you squeeze at the top like you would be grabbing something, Repeat 10 times. And again, nice and straight, holding your breath in and exhaling when your arms is actually lowered down. Okay. Next exercise is shoulder rolling, making sure that there is increased range of movement in your shoulders and making sure that they're all nice and strong. Okay, relax your arms by your body, lift your shoulders, roll them back and down. Lift your shoulders again, backwards and down. Breathe out. Repeat 10 times. You should feel nice stretch in between your shoulder blades and relaxing on the way down. If you wish, do 5 backwards, and if you can, 5 forward. Okay? How many have you done?
Don't ask me.
Okay, the next exercise, again, a shoulder exercise, making sure that we can reach as high as you can. Make sure that you sit forward, nice and straight, lift your left one, and straighten up all the way, like pointing up to the sky, and release, okay? And hold it in this position, so you're actually working a little bit on the shoulder blades if you can. As far as you can. And down. Repeat 10 times. And hold it there. Okay, you should feel a slight burning sensation on the top of your shoulder, which means that your muscles are working nice and hard. Okay, in this position, you might feel a slight stretch on the side of your body, which what we're looking for. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder, twist your hand out. You should feel a bigger stretch. Yeah, light bulb, that sort of movement. Okay, and the other one. I know that some of us can't reach as far as we would like, but do your utmost. Know your limits. Stretch is good, pain is not. But even if you just lift it to here and bring it down, again, up here and bring it down, making sure that you get that slight stretch on the side where you should feel it and what we're looking for. Okay? Okay, we carry on with the shoulder exercises. This time we're going sideways. Okay, again, sit nice and tall, breathe in, engage your core, and lift your arms sideways. Okay? Make sure that you relax those shoulders and relax and lift them up. Okay? Now, some of you might not be able to lift so high, but make sure that you come to as far as you can and relax it. Up again. Breathe out when the arms are down. Can you come back every week, please? They actually listen to me.
We always listen to you.
Bicep curl. Squeeze that bicep. 2, 3. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there.
If you've enjoyed exercising along with Andy's class, you might want to think about joining a class yourself. And not just for the exercise, you'll have a lot of fun and a lot in common. Your Lymffoedema clinic will be delighted to tell you about classes in your area. And don't forget your deep breathing exercises, as they're very important. Whatever you do and wherever you do it, remember to keep moving.
Good workout, excellent. Well done.
Thanks, Andy.